How to split screen on Samsung. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some methods that we can follow if we want to split out the screen on a Samsung device. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So all we're going to do is open up the first application that we would like to use, go ahead and open it up. And once we open it up, we can just go over and open up the recent app piece here. You can swipe up and hold if you use gestures. And then once you find the application that you want to use, you can tap on the applications icon in the top of the screen and open in split screen view. You can select that option. Once selected, it will start in split screen. You can just go over and select up your second application from the list. You can open up any other application that you prefer, and the second application will be opened on your screen. You just need to go over and follow this method. And in order to turn on this option, you need to enable it via gestures. So go to settings and go ahead and look out for the option called advanced features. And inside advanced features, look out for multi-screen or something like that. Go ahead and find the option for multi-window. You can look out for motions and gestures, and inside here look out for the option called multi-window. If you have that option available here, you can just go and turn on that option, and that way you should be able to split it up. And if an application does not support split screen, you can force it. You can create up a pair of frequently used applications to open them together from the app edge panel, but usually this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.